Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Terry, and I'm a consistently profitable trader. There's a saying that money comes in your head first before it appears in your bank account. So I want to take you guys through a journey of me trading. And as you can see, this is the market, and today is Sunday currently. Let me take you guys through what is going through my mind. I don't trade on Sundays, but this is just a week analysis. Since it's a weekly analysis, let's go down, or let's go all the way up to the weekly time frame. But don't worry, I'm usually an intraday trader. Like every day I will want to take trades because I don't want to stay in the market for too long. The only pair that I trade is this pair right here, the pound and the yen, right? And this week looks like the pound is going up, as you can see. One, two, you see green, green, green. It's a perfect example of strength. And on the daily, let's go to the daily first. This is what I'm looking at on the daily. It shows that we have been in a downtrend, create these double bottoms, or some people might say this is a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, whatever you want to call it. But now it looks like we are uptrend. So this big Fibonacci retracement tool, I just drew it, but just to show that we're in an uptrend and this trend line is holding. That's what I just imagine. Also, maybe we have come to this support, but most of the time, I really rely on my 4 hour to look at the direction of the market. So, what do we have on the 4 hour? We have the market pushing to the upside, and we've seen a pullback. But again, what we have seen here is kind of like a double bottoms, something like that. And then we have seen a big push to the upside, right? Boom. So as you can see, one, two, push to the upside. So maybe the market wants to continue back to the upside. And I have this idea that I drew from this level, and then I'll scale down to the 1 hour. So throughout the week, I only look at the 1 hour time frame. I try to use multiple time frame analysis, and I will use the 1 hour, the 15 minutes over here, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and the 5 minute for my trades. So this is the 1 hour. We have seen finally market going down, and then market um reverses, right? Downtrend, pullback, down, and then finally we are going back to the upside. And I don't know if this is I don't know how to really, when I'm not confident, I really don't trade because I've seen one push, two push. I don't know if I should start my feed from this level, or should I start it from this level? Because this is what it looks like. On the downtrend, we have seen lows come back, lower low. Finally create that lower low here. From this lower low, market push to the upside and create this high, breaking this lower high. And then now this is what I'm thinking, to enter at this level. I love to use the Fibonacci to calculate the 50% move to the upside. So, and then I like to enter on the 50% and the 61%, right? 61.8. That is what I like to enter. And then I always set my stop orders. And then I just, maybe I would say set and forget, and I always go for usually 1 to 1. And for this will be like 1 to 1.6. That's how I trade. I just keep it safe, keep it secure. One thing I've learned about the market is that the market is like the future. You don't ever know what's gonna happen. So don't overthink it. You enter there, you win, you lost, you move on, right? But like I said, if I have doubt over here, I may just, try to do this. Put it all the way over here, my stops, because you want to be safe than sorry. Um, but another thing is that sometimes it will not come all the way down and trigger you in if you set limits orders. So that's just the main thing. So with that being said, I will just set an alert here and then I see how the market moves. If I see um bearish engulfing candles coming towards this direction and the market is not slowing down, like I'm not seeing smaller candles towards this level, then I'll believe that it's coming all the way down here back to the support before reversing. That's just what it is. And then from now on, I'm not scaling back up. I'm only scaling down to the 15 minute. But usually how I trade is if I see multiple green candles and then market is approaching somewhat like a resistance, right? I'll wait to see like a bearish candle, like this bearish indecision candle. I usually just look at the bullish candles with the green and then the bearish candles with the red. It means the candle closes down, right? And then this gives me um kind of like inform me to scale down now to the 15 minute to check what is going on. And I've seen the 15 minute, right? Nothing is going on in the 15 minute. Structure is still bullish, clearly. And then I scale down to the 5 minute. Structure is still bullish, clearly. So right now, I have nothing to do than to wait because we want to see the market shift from a bullish market to a bearish market. Then now we can probably enter to take a sell, or we can just wait for the market to come back to this level and then now we can take a buy to push the market back to the upside. And the reason why I put my take profit here is because most likely the market comes back to those levels. That's why. With that being said, I really don't have much. I'll just update you guys tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday, whenever I upload this video. But I try to be consistent. I want to show you guys every single trade I take with this account. And hopefully you guys can join me with the process. If you guys are trading Forex, I want to see what you guys are doing. Comment down below. I want to know if you guys are only trading the pound and the yen, or you guys are what pairs you guys are looking at. Um, are you guys trading with the prop firm? Because what I'm doing right now, currently, I'm trading with this prop firm called Top One, and this is them. I just have a 5K account, and I don't like the challenge account too much, so I just buy the instant. How do you call it? I just buy like the instant live account because the challenge account you have to make pass the challenge first before you get funded. So I just go with the instant because we need money fast, we need money today. Let me know what you guys are doing, what you guys are trading with, how are you guys doing, what pairs you guys are looking at in the market. I'll be happy to know. I'll be happy to find out. And yes, as you guys have seen, that's all that I have to say for today. Just make sure that when you are trading Forex, just have this mindset. Forex is like going to the market. I go to the farmers market, or back in Africa, I live in, I'm Cameroonian. What we usually do is we usually go to the market and buy and sell. That's the same thing we are doing with the currency, foreign exchange. We are buying and selling. So if you are to buy a market right now, we try to buy when the market comes low. That's why I'm waiting for the market to come down before I can now take trade buying, because it is most likely to go back up. Price will most likely to go back up. I cannot buy when the market's already up. That's why I'm waiting to see when the market changes. And if I see a good pattern, I love to trade patterns. My best patterns are double tops and double bottoms, and the head and shoulder pattern, because it's really clear. It shows you that that is reversing back to the upside, right? Also, what can I say? Yeah, just make sure that if you can do that, put your stop loss in a reasonable place. The most important thing, I was failing a lot in the market, but once I realized that is my decision. If you decide to put your stop loss so tight, why are you doing that? There's nothing like 10 pips stop loss. Forget about the 10 pips. Forget about the tight stop loss. Think about the percentage. If I'm trading this account, for example, um, it's a 5K account. 1% of 5K is $50. I'll just say, okay, where is the resistance? I put my stop loss above that resistance. Okay, how many pips is that? And then I calculate. The thing is, okay, it has to give me $50. That's what I'll be risking. And then if I'm going for 1 to 2, perfect. If I'm going for 1 to 1, fine. So I'm risking $50 to make $50. It doesn't matter if it's 100 pips. It doesn't matter the lot size. It's about risk management. And this also relates to life, right? Life is like how you manage things. As you can see me, the decision that you make in life will definitely affect you. The decision that you make in your life, mentally, physically, whether you choose to, how you talk to people, the people that you let into your life, how you manage your money, especially if you are trading. I was losing a lot, but how I was managing my money wasn't right, right? I will always give money when people ask. I will borrow people money that I know that they will not give me back. I will use money and buy things instead of using that money to multiply. Because that's the rules of money. You have to use money wisely. You don't just have to spend money anyhow. If you spend money anyhow, just imagine the money will never be in your bank account. You have to make sure that you learn how to keep money and invest money. If you have small money, you also learn how to keep it or manage it. If you can manage small account, you can manage big account. Um, that's just how I think. That's just how I feel. So I've started this journey. Hopefully, we take this account to uh 200K, because if I get profit from this account, I buy another challenge. Instant fund there. Just keep going. Just keep going. The bigger the capital, the better, right? 1% of 1K, 100,000 is 1K. 1% of 200,000 is 2K. I don't care where you are, even in America. Like my total expenses is like almost like $700 a month, to be honest. So I can live on small. Just imagine that 2K, that 200K account. If we get to 200K account, that's massive. So you have to know what is enough for you. I know some people will be going for 100, like 1 million, but let's just have let's go step by step. There's a saying that a journey with of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So there's no formula, there's no one formula, there's no blueprint for success. Success is different for everybody, and everybody is different. What I want in life is different from what you guys might want in life. But this is my journey. Stay tuned. Peace out.